It seems like every year we do more business with security than we did the year before. Hi, I'm Joe, and today we're here with Samuel from IC Realtime. Samuel, how you feeling?
Hey, Joe, doing great. Thanks for
Good.
having me.
Oh, thank you for making such great products. You make what we do a lot easier because you've got so many options for us at IC Realtime. And maybe you can just share with our viewers a little bit, maybe first off, why security is growing the way it is, and then kind of your role in it and so forth.
For sure. Yeah. My name is Sam Barakat. I am the Southeast Regional for IC Realtime. IC Realtime has been in business for 20 years. And for the majority of those 20 years have been in the audio video industry. We are actually partnered with all of the major control brands. So integration for our dealers has been very easy to do. We actually provide a lot of detail on our website for all of the integration methods. That way, a lot of the guesswork is out of the equation as well. But in essence, one thing that we have been blessed with is being able to make a really great quality product. Uh, our defective rate is next to nothing. And even for the times that there is an issue, we have one of the best warranties in the industry. It's a 5-year bumper to bumper warranty on the majority of our products.
And of course, we really appreciate that reliability part because the client doesn't want us coming back out to fix things, and it's better for us not to go back and fix things. So thank you for making a durable and reliable product.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, we have one of the best warranties in the industry, one of the longest warranties in the industry, and great that you really don't have to utilize it very often. I think there's more importance in that than anything. So we are a better, best company. Our products offer the typical features that you would expect from surveillance, but of course, we take it one step further. We're very big on intelligence. So for times that you want to have a little bit more information, whether it be not just a person was at my door, it was a man wearing a hat, a hoodie, a blue shirt, blue pants, whatever the case might be. All of those analytics are actually built into our cameras and our NVR. So you can get really detailed in what type of searches you can do just based on that criteria, which makes things a lot easier than having to search through a bunch of history just to be able to spot that one particular moment or person that you're looking for.
And of course, privacy is very important to our customers as well. Maybe you could just say a little bit about privacy.
100%. Yeah. So there has been a lot going on in a lot of cloud based products, a lot of privacy issues. Fortunately, with us, we have been very big on privacy ever since NVRs came out. All of the data lives on the NVR or on the SD card of our devices, whether it be our doorbell or any of our cameras. The only way that anyone is going to get any of your information is if you extract it and send it to them. Other than that, you are 100% safe with your information.
That's perfect, Samuel, because that's really what our clients are looking for is a secure way to do all this and a privacy way to do all this. Maybe you could just say a little bit about as you move into the better products from the more affordable ones, what kinds of benefits you're getting.
Yeah, fortunately, even our better products have a lot of the great features built right into them. We do color at night with the majority of our cameras, which is really great because not only can you determine that there was a person in my backyard, you can, for example, if you need to let law enforcement know it just wasn't a man in my backyard, it was a man with a yellow shirt and blue pants. We have products that will add ambient light in areas where there isn't ambient light to achieve that color at night. We have active deterrent cameras similar to this one over here, which is actually a panoramic camera. But if it detects a person within a particular field of view, whether it be an intrusion box or a tripwire, you have the red and blue flashing lights and a either siren or pre-recorded message that will, number one, hopefully deter the potential
Right.
thief or whatever that might be from going onto the property. Much easier for them to just go somewhere else and do whatever it is that they wanted to do. Outside of that, I did mention our doorbell as well. We do have a line of products called IC Home, which includes our doorbell, but also has a few other wireless solutions, such as an outdoor pan tilt camera, also with active deterrent built in, or indoor pan tilt to complete the solution of wireless should the customer want to go in that direction.
Hmm. And you've kind of mentioned a little bit too about the fact that your products can work well either in an industrial environment or a residential environment, because of course we do business in both of those environments. And because you guys have so much experience and history at making these solutions, it really works well for us no matter what we need to do.
Yeah, 100%. The great thing about our products is that we will work in a multitude of applications, but a lot of our solutions are actually license free. So, where a lot of other brands will license you to death, whether it be on the individual items, annual, uh, if you are 256 devices or less, there is no licensing fee whatsoever. And that just doesn't have to be on one particular property. So you can have someone's home, vacation home, business, and they could be multiple NVRs all working on the same interface, still no licensing fees. Should you have an application that requires more than 256 devices, we do have solutions for that.
Mhm.
And as a matter of fact, even though there's a licensing fee, it is a very low cost licensing fee and it's only one time. It doesn't have to be renewed annually.
I would say that peace of mind is a really good thing, and it's something that a lot of our clients are looking for, especially our clients who are integrating solutions, control solutions that help make the entire house work well. So we really want to thank you, Samuel, for participating in this video with us.
Thank you,
We
John.
want to
Really
you're
appreciate it.
oh you're we thank you. We want to thank you for watching this video. For more information, you can go to www.gramophone.com and you'll find out more about the products. We also hope that we can meet you one of these days. We have stores down here in the Washington, D.C. area where we are today at our Gaithersburg store, also up in Columbia and Timonium, Maryland. And we hope that we get a chance to actually meet with you and be able to discuss what your security needs are and how we can meet them. Thanks again for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you at the next one.